let's turn this pizza dough into this pizza pie. So we're going to talk about our ingredients for our pizza dough. You'll need some milk, some cornmeal, some rye flour, some olive oil, some regular all-purpose flour, buy organic, and some yeast. Really, if you buy organic, especially your flour, we want no GMOs. That means genetically modified. We don't want to support that. You want to get organic wheat and organic wheat flour. That is the best. So have all these ingredients on hand, and also your milk should be room temperature. You'll measure your milk out and then let it come to room temperature. Also, your olive oil should be room temperature as well. And you'll also need some hot water. And this is basically all you need to make pizza dough. And that is a really simple thing. And you can keep these on hand.